Okay, guys, let's look at Unit 1, Lesson 11, Scales Without Units. The warm-up first starts off saying a park, or a map of a park says its scale is 1 to 100. Notice that this ratio does not have any units. It wants us to figure out the scales, or, really think about what does that mean with something saying 1 to 100 and so on, okay? So you could put, and this is your warm-up, guys, so everybody should get credit for their warm-up if they watched the video, but you should put that the distances, or you could put that the distances in the park are, so let's think about this, right? If 1 centimeter represented 100 meters, right? How many times bigger is the scale drawing compared to the well, not the scale drawing. How much bigger is the actual part compared to the scale drawing? Okay, think about that. If 1 represented the scale drawing and 100 represented the park, how much more is it bigger? If you guessed 100 times bigger, you are absolutely correct. 100 times bigger. Then, not just any side, then its corresponding side. Are distances in this case. In the map, to be very direct. So, just to give you guys like a real quick review on this word corresponding that I wrote down right here. Corresponding is when you have a segment or a point that is located in the same area in the figure. So when you're comparing two figures, they're located in the same area. So here we go. The sides that correspond with each other, and I'm going to highlight that in red. This will correspond with each other. And highlight this in yellow. This side will correspond with each other. Okay? So if this was 3 and it jumped to 6, this was 2 and it jumped to 4, and so on. Like, those are sides that correspond with each other. Okay? So it says, give an example of how the scale could tell us about measurements in the park. You could put that 1 unit on the map represents 100 units in the park. Or you could put, here's one good example of what I said. 1 centimeter could represent 100 meters in the park. Okay, guys, well, hopefully you watch this video so you get credit on your warm-up.